I don't know, I'm just irritated. They just don't make sense. Look at this motherfucker on the other side of the road. That's what I'm talking about. BS. Y'all, I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing.
Girlies love the makeup, yeah, they love the makeup. Mommies like to wake up, lace they face up. Girlies love the makeup, yeah, they love the makeup. Shorties like to wake up, lace they face up. Girlie love the makeup, yeah, she love the makeup. Doing her dance when she putting on her makeup.
It's raining. It's raining pretty hard, y'all. Okay, so I was playing the game. I think I was about to cook, but now I have to wait because if I play the game and it go off because of this, I'm gonna get pissed. Cause I was playing and then it cut off, and if it cut off at me again, I'm gonna just lose it. I'm about to do my homework. I'm about to light some candles. I ain't done that in a while. So this is gonna be the start of a new vlog. I hope that y'all are doing okay. I love this room, y'all. You know what? Maybe, I think God did that on purpose. Oh, y'all. Y'all probably can't see it too good. Ooh, stay away from the windows, they say. This shit already got a crack in it. So hold on. Wait about a minute. Man. Isn't that beautiful? I guess I'm gonna just do my homework in here. I'm gonna just not play the game because I don't need to be distracted at all. It's not really homework, really and truly. It's kind of like little quizzes. Y'all, I'm getting scared. I don't even understand why my laptop just cut off. Hold on. This is stuff like this I don't like. Why did it cut off? Oh. Oh shit. See? I hate this. I do not like this. And then it was one night where this was going on. I came back from work. I was about to settle in, eat, take a bath and all that. And the lights cut off. And I say, oh no. So I couldn't find my lighter because it was too dark. I couldn't find my lighter. I could not find any of the candles. So I just went in my car. And this might have been unsafe. Sat in my car until it died down. Yo, this is bad. Oh, Lord, look. Y'all can't really see too much. That's like extreme. It is extreme outside. It is extreme. I guess I could cut this out. No. I just cut it. Let's stop lighting candles. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Bear with me. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to put this one in the kitchen. Oh, should I put this in? I guess I could put this in here because that's where I'm gonna be anyway. I'm gonna get back on the game and just do these because it's not like actual homework. Anyways, I hope y'all having a great day. I hope y'all are safe out there. I know a couple people out there working. I'll just be safe, because, ooh, there's some mess out there. My mama's supposed to be coming. She gotta, why is it doing it? Is it not gonna work? Maybe I need to give it time. Yeah, but yeah, it look like it's going. Okay, so I bought some Fanta, pineapple. Then I also bought this. Hold on. Berry, and then some brisk tea. Excuse my dirtiness. This. I don't know how to clean all this stuff on the inside. I know how to clean it, but yeah, whatever. Let me show y'all something real quick. So you know, every time when I go shopping, I give y'all the business. So, y'all, effing love this. This is my favorite. I love it. Every time I go out, I'm gonna eat this tonight. I was about to go eat out, but I said, you know what, Trey? Control the urge. This is new, I'm gonna try. And this is new, I'm gonna try. So y'all know I've said in the previous vlogs, if y'all watch my vlogs, I've said this brand is amazing. Then I got this, of course, I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. I need some tortillas and then my salmon. Got me some lasagna and some popsicles. So you know I'm a little kid. I like to stock up on my Lunchables because those are some shits I like to eat while I'm at work. Got me some apple, caramel, and pineapples in the bag. Need to drink the rest of that. This I'm supposed to be cooking that tonight. I'm supposed to be eating this right now. And my mom was bringing me some seasoning to make the chicken strips. I need to fix all this because I don't know what I got going on. This wasn't even here for the long. Why is it? Hold on, y'all. Because, see, all my sauces is supposed to be here. My hot dogs was not down here. Okay. This one is falling. So this is down here. I don't know why my butter's in here. See? Thank God that these people came, because the bugs was playing games with me. And so since the weather was so humid, you know, it's hot, and the rain mixed in, because my apartment is like near trees, it doesn't get infested with, like, it's not horrible, but there do be roaches. So we got that control. Thank God, because I haven't seen one yet. Yes, so it's controlled. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all having a great day. I had class today. And I feel like stress was taking over me and not letting me focus. I've actually had a class, took my math class, and I was like, you know what? Octavia, you need to really just focus, stop daydreaming and all that stuff. Because I have a bad habit of not focusing. A horrible habit. Y'all hear that? That's the shit I be talking about. What's going on out there? What's going on? I know y'all heard that. See, like, there's all types of little small branches and stuff on the ground. See, when stuff like that happen, that's a problem. My car ain't got no choice but to survive. It's a lot of Lord. It's slowing down a little bit. Y'all look at my kitchen and I always be like, you know what? When I have to move into a student apartment, like, I got everything. I got everything. I ain't even opened this yet. Damn sure didn't open this yet. I can't buy these no more. It's too hard to get in, you know. None of the shit better not drop on my bed, I know that. Come on, man, damn. I just looked on my grades and I am highly pissed. I don't know what the hell is going on with my English class, but why is it that I'm missing 3? I'm just pissed. Anyways, this is my food. And I always add cheese to my stuff. Y'all, I'm so happy I ain't lactose intolerant because cheese is amazing. I got like, it's showing that I got, oh, I thought somebody ran across my porch. I say, hold on. Ran across, no, I got 3 missing damn little homework quiz things. And I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, girl, how many times, you letting this shit open and then, I don't know, I'm just irritated. They just don't make any sense. I got my stuff. I finally got one in the bathroom. For y'all that know me, y'all know I do not like loud noises. I do not like loud noises. And for the shit to scare me, it pisses me off. That's why I cannot stand. What's going on? Can't stand living in this apartment alone sometimes because it scares the hell out of me. I'm not gonna mix them to a sense. I just put this one in the bathroom. Okay. One thing is never done that before. Why is that extra bar with up? So Rack Room Shoes always have a buy one get a second shoe half off. Second pair of shoes. Oh y'all. So I had to get bitch mute. Got me one pair of shoes. Got these. They're blue. I don't necessarily like the white bottom, but it's not a big deal. And then Nike BS. Bullshit. Anyway, now I got me some of these. Now I don't usually fuck with branded shoes that much unless it's Vans. I like Adidas because that's pretty much what Vans is pretty much all that I bought. And then this will be a damn trash bag. And I always hang that on the back of my door. So morning guys. I got stuff all over. Hope y'all are doing okay. I'm doing great. I just woke up not too long ago, like 30 minutes ago. And I was thinking to myself, I said, okay, Trey, you need to do something. You need to hurry up and figure out what you're gonna do. Cause, okay, so basically this is what I got going on. I wanna play the game majority of the time because it's this new game that came out. Yeah. And then I gotta remember that, hey, I got homework. So I can't be, playing around too much because I gotta focus. Plus, my first test in my math class, which is the class I'm really trying to pass, is on it's on Tuesday. So I gotta do my homework. Y'all, I'm tired. I got my incense burning and I have my waterfall going. My waterfall, I'm starting to notice is probably becoming a problem. First of all, it ain't all the water in there. The water's like going away. So I'm about to do my English homework, and then I'm gonna take my backpack to work and just do it. Let's do my homework for now. I ain't used this finally yet. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. Anyways, I need to go. Oh shit, I gotta go to Blend. God damn it. I gotta go there. I gotta go there before I go anywhere because I have to go buy this thing. Oh my god, y'all. See, I'm telling y'all I got too much going on. And then my teacher gave me a 0 for something that I did, so I'm gonna have to show her that. What time is it? I'm tired. I need a clock. Oh, it is a clock. Hello. It's 8. It's 8:30 something. I'm gonna do one of these and then I'll go. Cause I got enough time. So yeah, guys. I'm just tired. I gotta force myself to do stuff, which is crazy. I'm just so ready to move out this apartment. I'm gonna miss the hell out of it too. So whenever that day comes, I'm definitely gonna vlog it. I really do need to start vlogging more, but I really don't be doing nothing. Not only that, I don't be having as much time as I would like to have either. I don't at all. I just don't. I be feeling drained majority of the time. Yeah. But I ain't even ate breakfast. Knowing me, I'm probably going to end up going to McDonald's. Spending more money, which I'm not supposed to be doing. I got breakfast in there. But this is weird about me. When I have breakfast bought and everything else and it's the same thing over and over, or let's say for an example, I'm only one person. So majority of these places sell things where you get it in a 4 count, 8 count, or something, or a 12 count. I tend to get tired of eating it. That's my thing. So I try to find things in the smallest count. Alright, y'all. Y'all, I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing at all. Oh, Lord. So why you gonna vlog while driving and make it worse? I don't know. Here go my car doing that bullshit again. Okay, let me slow down because I'm wet. I said, F it, I gotta run in this rain because I got homework to do, okay? I got math homework to do. Okay. What the hell am I park? It's too much. We'll have to do it. right. Y'all doing okay today? Yeah. That's good. I gotta get out of all these clothes. Ooh, and it's cold in here. My neighbor's so cute. She got a baby. I think she go to school. I don't know if she go to school with me. Y'all, look at me. I'm like wet. Let me pull this up the way. I'm like legit wet. Wet. Ooh, okay. Yeah, let me get out these clothes. Yeah, because it's really cold. Oh, I hate this part. I hate this part. Woo. Woo. Cold, cold. I'm definitely getting a headache. Definitely getting a headache. Body is nice. Messy apartment. I get that. I get that. But don't judge me. Want to know why? Because the only thing I fail to do, and notice when I live, living by myself, when I have clothes, I always seem to drop them right there. And then later on, maybe the next day, I take them and throw them in the dirty clothes. The second day raining. This is gonna be a rainy day ass vlog or a rainy ass vlog. That's gonna be the title of this video, rainy ass vlog, cause clearly that's all I'm getting in my shots. Okay. Oh goodness, I'm about to get me a hash brown for sure. Come on now, damn, in the middle of the road, go. Stop playing games with me. Gosh, I can tell every time I come down this road when I'm finna go to class, I ain't got nobody. Like, they ain't got nowhere to go. Every time. Last time it was a truck going way too damn slow. And that's like, look at this motherfucker on the other side of the road. That's what I'm talking about. BS. People around here don't know how to drive. At all. You can't be doing no shit like that. You bound to get pulled over or get in a car accident. Come on now. It's too much going on. And then this person all on this side, this person on the middle, about ready to go around the other trailer. Like, come on now, too much going on, too much. I don't understand what this is. This truck's still on the other side. Ooh. Whoever's in this trailer ain't got nowhere to be at all. Nowhere to be. I'm literally going not even 20 miles per hour. And this shit green. And if the motherfucker turn red by the time I get there, I'm gonna be pissed. They doing too much over here. I'm telling y'all, this road has always got something going on. Especially when it's time for me to go to class. It's always something, I'm telling you. But anyways, I gotta study all the way until Tuesday because that is when my first test is. My English class, I just don't understand. I don't understand what I gotta do for my English class. Like, I do not understand. Only thing I know is that I have homework, of course, and then go! Stupid asshole. Four-way stopping, your ass stopping now. Anyways, I know we got an essay that's probably coming up, but I don't know, she doesn't really, like, hit it. Like, she don't hit and let us know, hey, don't forget to do this, or do this. But she don't remind us nothing. And then she be telling them corny jokes. I'm trying to keep from cussing. She be telling them corny jokes. And she be like, did you get it? Not? Okay. Well, I guess I'm the only person that got it then. Yeah, you are, girl. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. Her class can be vibrant if she didn't try to force it so much, like her little jokes. You know what I'm saying? She's pretty cool, but it seemed like she forced them. And everybody be tired, or they just either be like, okay, everybody's nonchalant. I'll just say that. You know, we ask questions sometimes, or we'll give out the answer and all that stuff, but we pretty nonchalant when it comes to our jokes because our shit is plain. But me anyway, I laughed at one thing. This car gonna do some real stupid shit. An older woman, of course. Dumbass of the day. Jeez Louise. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a dumbass of the day. I don't know who the dumbass of the day yesterday was. I'm guessing it was that woman. Anyways. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Store closing sale. Bitch, you know what I gotta do? You know what I gotta do? Mega closing event, 40% off. Contact your mama and your grandparents. Pass it along when they open. I'm broke though. I ain't got no money right now. Oh damn. It came at an unexpected time. I'll let my mama know. They could have had this right when they just now opened the doors too. I know that's right. I'm gonna be honest, I love seeing older women shopping and stuff. It reminds me of my grandma. Especially like when it's deals going on, you got the older women like, go up and catch that deal. My grandma be trying to catch them deals. I remember back in the past. Egg and cheese McMuffin.
Egg and cheese McMuffin, what else?
And then a hash brown, and that'll be all.
Alrighty. One sauce egg and cheese McMuffin, $3.24 your first window.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Well, she an attitude with them over there. I guess whoever taking the order wasting her time, and she pissed now that I'm in front of her. And she could have, oh, hold on. Bitch, I thought I left my wallet. Now, I wonder if the, oh, and they just left. She said, fuck it. I think I've mastered what I want in terms of a person, as in like my partner, and a relationship. I think I've mastered that. Or maybe not all the way. I wouldn't say all the way. But I definitely know what I want. I think okay, so when I joined the LGBT or whatever, QT or whatever the fuck it is, club, I realized that the guys in there, I felt like I had somebody I felt like I was a part of something that I am a part of. You know what I mean? I felt like I actually was a part of something. I didn't feel like I was out of place or wasn't supposed to be there. I felt comfortable. And the guys there who are out, it felt free to be around people like that. Because in a gay community, you always got people that are not out and that are straight, or they are so-called got this label if they, down low. But when you're around people that actually know their sexuality and they're not afraid to live it, that's amazing. It felt good to be around that. And I was attracted to them guys. I was like, okay, I ain't trying to force a relationship on them, but I'm saying I can actually date a guy that is a little more feminine than what I thought I wanted. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Ho, come on. It's too hot. This shit don't blow at all. This shit ain't worth it. I need to get my car fixed on Sunday, I think it was. I gotta drop it off early in the morning. My grandpa said he gonna have to have it all day. You gonna need my car the whole day? I said, you know what? I'm just take the day off. Use my protective PTO just to cover that time so I got enough money just to be safe on rent and all that. This car's still here. You know what? I think people want their ass whooped, I think they want to see how I feel sometimes. Because at this damn point, traffic. Here she go. Traffic over here is always bad. Like, I'm not even joking. Traffic over here is always bad. And it's these college students. It is so bad. And then when it comes to finding parking, it is so hard. Dirty ass car. Somebody like speeding. This ain't no competition, bitch. Slow down. This is shit I'm talking about. And it's a speed limit. It's a school right here. Stop playing games. Slow your ass down before you fuck around and get in a car accident to get a ticket. One of the two is consequences. You can sure choose one. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay? Now, they know this called hot and fresh. But I want to be able to enjoy it in the same car, not using turning signals. It ain't no cheese on this bitch. It ain't no cheese on this bitch. He ain't ringed up with cheese. Okay, so right before I start my ouch, goddamn that hurt. I started my homework. This whole here is a mess. Hold on.
And also my homie, all the way from Maryland, DC.
We're at the center of a growing scandal getting national attention.
Yes, and you heard that right.
I know I need some attention from you.
Hotels have an epidemic of bed bugs in the city of Norfolk, Virginia, and we have.
Hold on. Y'all hear how she say bed bugs? Bed bugs.
We have still yet to receive a call back.
But yet, here it is, another hotel infested with bed bugs. If you don't believe us, go look on my page where I've been tagged in this investigation where the next Econo Lodge, the other one was Economy Lodge. This one is Econo Lodge in Norfolk, Virginia, off of Military Highway, is infested with bed bugs. We're going undercover. We got our microphones right here.
Got my earpiece.
So basically, these hoes is all they like a undercover ghetto independent news reporter type shit. And I don't know how I came across her videos, but every time she come out with a video with bed bugs, she just say it that way, and it's just too damn funny. Cause it's like she's saying bed bugs, but it's just funny the way she say it. Hold on. They saying they got bed bugs, and it's just, they is a mess. Hold on. Oh. I'm trying to find. This is what I'm finna do. I gotta do this. This is the review I was talking about. She gave us the answers. But you see how they all cluttered up? I think that's why I was overthinking. Because they all just, you know what I mean? They're not spaced out like this. Like one, and then, you know, the B. It's just a lot. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I only did 40 damn questions. I'm trying to go to one. Hold on, y'all. This one funny. And then I'm gonna end the vlog. Hold on. She was talking to these tour people.
Live here. If you do anything else.
Y'all watch this. Lily's texting me. Okay, hold on.
Man, you need to take them to court for you busting your ass in the hotels. Yeah. Fucked up. It's real fucked up. They got your money and they owe you, man. You need to take them to court for you busting your ass in the hotels.
Okay.
Yes. I want y'all to go straight to hell, sir. Sir, I want y'all to go straight to hell like y'all got these people live in hell. They eat out my asshole. Don't piss me the fuck off. They don't piss me off. I am the infamous Miss Rhoda Young Life. Well, this shit is fucking absolutely ridiculous. This stuff is absolutely ridiculous. How they got these people out here living. They're saying that they have bed bugs. They're saying that they paid this money. And the manager that quit on that
I'm sorry. This whole.
The hotel don't have no AC. bugs. The hotel, one lady has fell and broke her whole hip and her leg where she got 3 screws in her hips and over like 40 stitches in her leg where she fell out the bed and took her to the bathroom and she's going Miss Girl to your life. And I'm not afraid to say when a story is too big for me and this story is too big for me, I'm gonna hand this
I'm sorry, but this is just too funny, okay?
I know my place. And this is too big for me.
She gotta go. Get her shit together somewhere else. Okay, y'all. I'm through. I'm not laughing at the woman falling, by the way. She just, I don't know, the way she says shit is funny. But y'all, I'm gonna end this video. And I'm about to do this homework. I'm not gonna put off no more time because that's what I don't have, clearly. And hold on, one more video. No, 2 more. Hold on. Can't see shit.
Can you not make my food in a dirty plate? All that stuff dirty down here. You making my food, yeah, but you're making my food in all that dirt. I don't want
See
you to
that food
make
in
my
the
food
trash?
that dirt while he's cleaning out. No, I'm taking a video how you making my food. Yeah, but first you didn't wash your hands. Yeah, first you didn't wash your hands, and then you gonna make my food inside all that dirt. I want my money back in the name of your manager. And the name of your manager, okay? Because you just went in there and made my food first. I said, you took my order. Yeah, did she put your food inside the 30 things right there? No, I don't give a fuck. Oh, fuck you, the fuck you think you talking to? Give me my money.
No, man, we're not doing that shit here.
You gonna get fuck you. Nigga, I'm gonna fuck you. Okay? You're not listening. Because they're making my food. She's making my food in the dirty sink. And you saying I'm causing problems. No, you are. And you. What you want to do? I'm running your food. Fuck you want to do? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. And I'm in your face saying, I'm enjoy my shit. Enjoy, motherfucker. Enjoy your shit, motherfucker. Let me enjoy mine. Fuck you. Enjoy your Fuck you, nigga. Alright, bet. You got me fucked up, okay? You ain't got to thank you, sir. That's fine. That's okay.
Oh, Lord. I'm gonna end that one. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.